In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a zip file game in a laptop. To get started, the first thing you need is a program that can extract zip files. A simple and popular option is WinRAR because it's easy to use and works well for this kind of task. If your game is compressed inside a zip file, you won't be able to install or play it properly until you extract the contents first. So, begin by opening your browser, searching for WinRAR on Google, and then clicking the official website link. From there, download the installer and go through the installation process on your laptop. Just follow the on-screen instructions until it finishes. This part is important because once WinRAR is installed, you'll be able to use extraction options directly from the right-click menu. After the installation is complete, go to your desktop. Right-click on an empty area, create a new folder, and give it a name that helps you remember what it's for. This folder is where you'll keep the zip game file and the extracted files together, which makes everything much easier to manage and prevents your desktop from getting messy. Next, drag your zip file game into that new folder. Once the file is inside, open the folder so you can work with it there. Now, right-click on the zip file, and from the menu, choose the option that says Extract Here. This will unpack the contents of the zip file into the same folder. Depending on the size of the game, this may take a few seconds or a little longer, so just wait until the extraction is complete. Once the files have been extracted, you can move on to installing the game. Open the extracted folder and look for a setup file. In many cases, it may be called Setup, Installer, or something similar. When you find it, double-click on it to start the installation process. Then just follow the installation prompts shown on your screen. Now in this example, there may not be a setup file visible because this is only a demonstration. But if you were installing a real game from a zip file, that setup option would normally be there inside the extracted folder. The important thing to remember is that the process stays the same. Install an extraction program, create a folder, move the zip file into it, extract the contents, and then open the setup file if it's included. That's how to open a zip file game on a laptop in a simple and organized way.